In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pixel to a landing page in Systeme.io. We're going to take the MetaPixel base code from Meta Business Suite and place it directly into your landing page settings inside Systeme.io. This is an important setup if you want to track page visits and connect your landing page activity with your Meta ads and reporting. To begin, log into your Meta Business Suite account. Once you're inside, click on Events Manager. This is where your tracking assets are managed. In Events Manager, select the pixel or data set that you want to use for this landing page. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage more than one business or ad account. Next, click on Setup Meta Pixel. When the setup options appear, choose Install Code manually. This gives you the actual base code that needs to be added to your page. After that, click Next and then click Copy Code. This copies the full pixel base code to your clipboard, so keep it ready because we'll paste it into Systeme.io in just a moment. Now switch over to your Systeme.io dashboard. From the main dashboard, click on Sites and then go to Sales Funnels. Open the funnel that contains the landing page you want to track. Once you're inside that funnel, find the specific page and click Edit Page to open it in the page editor. Inside the editor, click on Settings. In the left-hand menu, scroll down until you reach the tracking section. This is the area where Systeme.io allows you to insert custom tracking scripts into the page header. Click Edit Header Code, and a code box will open. Now paste the pixel base code you copied from Meta into that box. Be careful to paste the entire code exactly as copied, without changing or deleting any part of it. The reason this goes into the header section is so the pixel loads properly when someone visits your landing page. Once the code is in place, click Save in that header code area. Then, to finalize everything, click Save Changes at the top right of the main editor. That second save is important because it ensures the page itself is updated with the new tracking code. And that's it. Your MetaPixel is now added to your Systeme.io landing page. As a quick best practice, after saving, you may want to test the page in Meta Events Manager to confirm the pixel is firing correctly. That way, you can be confident your tracking is active and ready to collect data.